So hi guys, we came to Thailand. It was very unexpected, we didn't plan it. As you know, we've been on Bali and now the weather there was awful and we just bought the new tickets yesterday and came 4 hours on the plane yesterday from Bali here. We are in Pattaya in Thailand. I already have been swimming all day. It is this sunny weather, it's perfect weather. I love to be here. I've already been in Pattaya before with my husband. It was about maybe 8 or 9 years ago. And exactly the same time after, we were here actually after New Year. And now we are here and in the same hotel because I liked it so much in the previous day. And this happens not very often. Okay, and this video I will actually show you my outfits. It was supposed to be video on outfits on Bali, but it is outfits in Thailand instead. And today we are going for dinner, first dinner in Thailand. I have a new dress from H&M and my shoes from Max Mara. The dress you saw in my haul, which was recently here. I took my Bottega bag, like it to have it on the vacations. So this bracelet is from the brand Sfera, bought it in Spain, also quite nice for vacation. It's a local brand from Spain. And my earrings are new earrings from the brand called Next Earrings. Cool name. I already showed it to you, I think in last video, made a collaboration with them and I love how they look. And this is my today's outfit. See you on the next one. So I wanted to show you, I bought this kind of water tint. I will try it. I had them before, something similar, but I'm curious to try this local brand. And yeah, hopefully it will stay on the lips long. We will go to the beach. I will show you. And here is my tint. I think it's really nice. How beautiful it is. New Year's Eve and everybody are getting ready. Sunset. And there somewhere is our table also. Booked 9 o'clock. Now it's 6. A little bit early, but people already start to have dinners with sunset, listen to the disco. hope you hear me because it's air conditioned here in the room, and maybe not so good bright. I will try now to switch on one more light. Okay, I don't know, maybe it's a little bit better with the bathroom light. So I didn't have time to record for several days, unfortunately or fortunately. I was so much into the relaxing and swimming, and I'm so happy with the sea and the sun. And yesterday was New Year's night, so sorry guys. I will just show you some pictures of what I had. So first I had these dresses from Pepper Mayo. I just collaborated with them and got this dress in the last collaboration. Perfectly got it in December that I could take with me on vacation. I thought first to have a New Year's night in it, but then I saw that it actually was this flamingo tema, and I actually didn't want to be the same color of this flamingo tema, so I didn't have mood for it. Maybe it's not so important about flamingo tema, but anyway. About this outfit, I was in this flamingo colored dress, and my shoes were from my old shoes from Mango. They are real leather, they are good. And I had a necklace and the earrings from the brand Next Earrings. I also made a beautiful collaboration and showed it in my Instagram. If you are not still subscribed, please consider to subscribe, because there is much more. I show there more quickly than the videos comes, and you know, outfits and stories always. I actually showed also how we celebrated New Year. They are also like with some fireworks and stuff. And I forgot to tell you, my bag was from Mango, also the red. Red and purple is this like red or like a carrot red, and purple is the classical Yves Saint Laurent colors, and I like this combination very much. It was beautiful sunset, was beautiful dinner. Another dinner was, I was in another dress which I didn't have time to even make good pictures. I made a video from this outfit. It was the very complicated outfit, but I wanted to be a little bit more fashion. When I'm on traveling, I like a little bit experiments, a little bit fashion, and a little bit mixing around the theme or topic about the like where I'm traveling. Now we're in Thailand, so I thought some of the like linen with, it was H&M dress with lace on the breast, and of course I had a bra under. It was a short dress, and then I got a skirt over it, which is transparent from Zara for a few years old. And then I even added some belts. Now it's fashionable to, it's trendy to have these wide belts, like scarves. It was golden, and I got it also several years ago, so now I could use all my imagination. Also this, my god, I forgot this word. It's like fringle from one side, and I think that it's quite nice outfit. I was happy with it. On my feet I had Hermes shoes, and my bag, new Chanel bag, is just some extra bag. So I was quite happy with this outfit. We went to local market, if you can see me, because you know, I took a camera with me on vacation, but I forgot to take a charger, so now I have to make everything on the telephone. I'm sorry if my picture is not so perfect, but at least anyway, it's like live videos. I hope you like it anyway. It was another outfit, and today we are going to the market, 1st of January, so I can imagine to have a glitter. It's very old skirt from ASOS. I decided to have the glitter or sequins skirt from ASOS, my very old one. I like it. Then I have shoes from H&M, my t-shirt, oversized t-shirt from Max Mara Weekend new collection. I love it. I love these openings on the sides, very fashionable looking. And I decided to have a little bit extra earrings. Again, it's holidays, it's 1st of January, still New Year. They are also quite old. I think they're from H&M, few years old. And the skirt is probably 10 years old. And this small bracelet I got when I was traveling in Hong Kong. Oh no, in Bangkok we were having New Year 1 year, and I still have it. I love it. It's cute. It was a present from the hotel where we had a table at night. And these bracelets I also bought on some travel. So, and small bag. I thought that the best bag for this outfit would be my Louis Vuitton small clutch, because it makes the whole outfit not so fancy also. That's why I also have the shoes, which are flip-flops, to make it like a mix. And actually one of sequin is here. And I will take it away later. On New Year, I had this other outfit which I loved. I had a dress from Miu Miu's. It's my dress from maybe 2 years old, but I decided that I want to have white dress, fur. It's very nice on one arm. And I wanted to style it like long tunic, like a top with trousers, silk trousers from Arket, I think. Or another stories, now I need to remember. And so I had this style idea dress with trousers, which is very popular now also on these magazines and wherever. And I got my new bag from Dior. It's good, kind of. I think there is a saying you need to have a new year with one new thing in your closet. So from my closet, I used this bag first time. It's actually the makeup bag, which I got like a present. And I bought a small handle from some cheap, I don't remember, Temu or AliExpress. This so I could have this chain with pearls, long chain and short chain, and the short chain was actually broken during the evening. Then I had my heels. It's only one heels that I took to vacation. They are from Mango, black ones, but I didn't take white. I decided I don't need many heels. The black goes to everything. So when you have long trousers, it's good to open your toes, I think. My family is waiting for me, so I need to go. See you later. While we're waiting for our taxi, it's just already dark today. Today black pasta. Oh, you mean this? I was searching every day, and the last day I catched it. I caught it. So hello, the last day in Bali, and I'm making video on the way. I will go from hotel to the shop to buy a few stuff. I found some nice lipstick here, and here is my outfit from today. I have a linen shirt, I have trousers which I bought here. It's difficult to show it to you. Max Mara shoes, my bag, Loewe. It's a very simple outfit. And I decided not to dress any dresses for dinner because I'm tired of this festive looks from before. Now I want just to relax last evening, and 4 o'clock we're going to airport already, so it's the end of my vacation. But it was cool. It was difficult beginning because, you know, from before video that we were stuck in Bali. Not stuck, but we were in Bali for 3 days with rain. It's good that we were not stuck there, because we were stuck in Koh Samui once when it was a typhoon. And you will see a little bit the area around the hotel. So nice here. Ooh. So, and this time I'm happy. I was swimming, I'm happy. It's a perfect temperature. I want to come back here to Pattaya. I'm so happy to return home now in the beginning of January, relaxed to start to work again. And I hope you like this video. I don't know if it's more vlog or more like what I have been dressing with the small parts of the vlog. But I will go to pack my things and see you very soon in my next video. write your comments, support me please. Oh, that was loud. Kiss you all, bye bye.